Hi guys, thanks for watching Craftbox. Today I'd like to show you how to make these cute paper bags out of paper. So what do we need to get started? Some scissors, some glue and a piece of A4 paper. Let's get started. First we'd like to turn the paper with the small side to ourselves and fold it across at about 4 centimeters from the top. Like this. Then we turn the paper around and we'll put a little glue on the line there. Perfect. Now we want to fold the other side of the paper just across the glue line that we just created. Please make sure to let the glue dry before moving on to the next stage. Next we're going to fold the bottom of the paper for about 5 centimeters. This will create the bottom of your paper bag. We will fold the corner down into a triangle. Like this. Then we do the same on the other side. Make sure to press down on your folds in order to get the best end result. Now we want to fold back these triangles. And then open the piece of paper so we can fold the 2 triangles inwards. And make sure to flatten it properly. Do this on both sides. We want to turn the paper over and fold 1,5 centimeters across. Make sure to press down on your fold. We'll turn the paper around and do it on the other side as well. Perfect. Fold back these 2 flaps. Then we want to turn the paper around and fold it backwards across the same line we just created. This is to make sure that it's easier to fold your bag into shape. Fold them back again, then we turn the paper over and now we want to fold the bottom side just across the line in the middle. You need about 1/2 centimeter to put the glue on later. Like this. Turn the paper around and we'll do the same on the other side. Again, 1/2 centimeter across from the other middle line. Very nice. Now we fold back the top flap and we put some glue on the line in the middle. Just a little bit. Make sure to stick it together tightly so it doesn't come loose. Now we have to wait for the glue to dry. Perfect, now we're going to open our bag. We put our hand in the middle and make sure to flatten it out. You want to open it all the way up to the bottom. And then after we've done that, we want to move to the sides and fold in these sides. So they're sticking out currently, but we want this to be on the inside. Just fold it like that. And you'll have a little triangle on the bottom if you do it correctly. Perfect. Then turn it around and we'll do the same on the other side. And this will create our bag shape. So now comes the most important step. We want to fill our bag with a little kindness. Think of something cute, small, funny, whatever you like, fill it up with. And then fold the top 2 times around, like this. Before you gift it to a person you think deserves a nice gift, you can decorate it by putting a bow on your bag. I've created a video where I show you how to do it, how to create a bow. So I will include the link after the video.
Vond je deze video leuk? Geef even een duimpje omhoog en abonneer vooral op mijn kanaal.
Did you like my video? Please give it a big thumbs up
enkele video
and
meer.
subscribe to my
En het
channel.
helpt mij enorm.